Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom. Welcome to Biafra Battle Cry TV, under the leadership of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, IPOB leader. Subscribe for diaspora resistance, justice advocacy, and cultural awakening. Be part of history, every voice matters. Watch as everyday Nigerians speak truth to power and rally behind the hashtag #FreeNamdiKanu movement.
Can you just see this a show of shame today? A show of shame. A country that the people who make the law does not obey the law. Just look at this show of shame in the court between Nnamdi Kanu and the court. It's a pure show of shame. The judge cannot defend the law. Somebody is asking him, show me the law. He cannot show it. He's only saying you can appeal. Appeal on what? That's medicine before death. Appeal on what? Show me the law that you want to use. You cannot. And this is the same country that somebody is defending criminals that are killing us. Criminals that are killing us. Somebody defending it. This is the same country that governors are welcoming criminals. This is the same country that I know what I face in Giwa Barrack. I go to the bush to cut firewood for them to make our food. But Boko Haram, called repentant Boko Haram, were using gas. Their food were well tested and prepared. But we, as we are going to cut the firewood, we are even keeping some soldiers to prevent our life. This is the same country that a soldier will be sick and he will go to the hospital in the northeast, in Maiduguri, Giwa Barrack, and Boko Haram.
Facing an existential threat in Nigeria. Thousands and thousands of Christians are being killed. Radical Islamists are responsible for this mass slaughter. I am hereby making Nigeria a country of particular concern. That's a legal definition. When the Christians or any such group is slaughtered, like is happening in Nigeria, 3,100 versus 4,476 worldwide. What horrible numbers. Something has to be done. I am asking Congressman Riley Moore, together with Chairman Tom Cole and the House Appropriations Committee, to immediately look into this matter and to report back to me. And I mean, like, immediately. The United States cannot stand by while such atrocities are happening in Nigeria and numerous other countries. It's not only Nigeria, it's all over. We stand ready, willing, and able to save our great Christian population around the world. This is not going to happen. The killing of Christians is not going to